tumatawag yung papa ko!
Ito, ganito pala.
Tawag ka tumawag!
Hi girls, short message for our
Si Mika na dito!
for you girls for supporting you as the hour in that your smile, laughter, successes, and even in moments of tears.
Ito naman si Papa, tawag ng tawag!
Thank you for choosing to fight for your dreams and continue your passion and love for music. This encourages us